Thank you so much for joining me today for this testimonial. I just wanted to ask you a few questions.
Certainly. That sounds great.
Awesome. How's your solar experience going so far?
So far, it's going really well.
Awesome. And what's your favorite part about going solar?
My favorite part about going solar is it's in the long run, my house is making energy for me because of the solar panels that are on top of the roof. And yeah, in the end, no more power company. I'm hoping.
Right. I love that. So who helped you out and how has their guidance been so far?
Armene has been wonderful in making sure that I know what's going on and who needs to be home and when, and who's coming and when, and just letting me know every step of the way what's going on. The people who have come to the door to get things taken care of, they've been wonderful. They've put up with my dogs, and that's kind of a big thing because they're not small.
Oh,
Yeah, but they've been wonderful. I had a little trouble finding a certain switch, but Armene kept making sure that we could progress. It's like, okay, it's not that one. Let's find it again, because she didn't know where it was either. And came to talking to the installer, and she found out what it was that I needed to do, sent me a picture so that I was able to go out there and flip the switch. So now, the power's on, and yeah, we're making power here.
that is great. So would you recommend anyone to go with green home system?
I would. Yeah, I think it's a perfect solution for especially these lovely sunny states where it's sunny so often.
Right. Exactly. All right. Well, I really appreciate your time today and thank you so much for this amazing testimonial.
I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.